Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is a day in my life vlog. This is pretty much like, if not the same, what I do in the mornings. Right now I'm making tea, and you can see I have my really long hair, and I recently got a haircut, and the lady cut my hair so short, so when I'm editing this video and watching this clip, I'm really missing my long hair. Let me know if you guys go through the same thing as well, because when I went in for my haircut, I wanted it to be short, and it's not her fault. I told her to cut it short, and then I regret cutting it that short. Anyways, so today I am going to be preparing baigan ka bharta, eggplant bharta, and for that I am washing the eggplant, and I am going to be chopping off the head, and then making like slits throughout the whole eggplant. And then what I'm gonna do is take my regular cooking oil and just apply it all over the eggplant, and then cover the whole eggplant with a aluminum foil, and then I'm gonna roast it on top of my stuff. So that takes a good amount of time to completely roast. So that's the first thing I'm doing because it is going to take some time. So here my tea is ready, and next I will be frying some bitter melon, or karela as we say. So first I'm cutting it in the middle, and then I'm taking out all the seeds and really thinly slicing it, and I'm just gonna stir fry it with turmeric and salt. And sorry, that is my baby in the background, and I guess you will get to hear him from now on while I do voiceovers, because that's just how life is right now, mom life. Anyways, I hope you guys don't mind. Frying some okra for today, so the lunch is gonna be really simple with all these items. I'm not gonna do much, and I can't cook much because of my baby. Next, you're gonna see that he woke up, and then I had to feed him. This is pretty much what happens in the mornings. I turn on some cartoons on YouTube or Netflix, and then I put on his bib, and then I make him a little small amount of oatmeal mixed in with like breast milk, or mixed in with formula. I mostly do formula because I do breastfeed, and yeah, that is what I'm feeding. And this spoon is not so good for feeding babies, so I did go ahead and buy like the really small soft feeding spoons for babies. So this is an old clip, so that is why I wanted to mention this, if you guys were wondering, or if you guys wanted to buy some baby spoons. I got this from IKEA, and it came with a pack of 2. Like the other one, I accidentally threw it out, and that one was the soft small spoon. So yeah, I had this big one, and then I decided to go ahead and buy a small pack of like soft spoons for him. So yeah, here I am feeding him, and yeah, he's a good eater. He doesn't fuss around much. He doesn't spit out as much, so that is a good thing. And I'm back in the kitchen, and here I am frying some onions, and then in the small pan I will be frying the bitter melon, and in another pan I'll be frying the okra. eggplant is done roasting, so I am removing the skins from the eggplant. It's really hot, so be careful if you are trying out this recipe. Be very careful while taking off the skin. It's really hot. And yeah, I'm just gonna carefully remove it, and then I'm gonna be taking my knife and then, you know, just roughly chopping it up into like small pieces, or like just making it easier for me, and just mashing it and keeping it ready while for cooking. It'll be easier for me. Alright, so next I will be heating up some oil on a pan, and then I am going to add some cumin seeds, and then some chopped up onions and chopped up green chilies, and saute it for like a minute or so till it becomes soft. And then I will be adding in some green peas. So here I am just stir frying the frozen peas, which I did go ahead and thaw it out earlier. You can use fresh peas if you want. And now I will be adding all the masalas. So here we go: turmeric powder, some coriander powder, some red chili powder, Kashmiri chili powder to make it red, and then a little bit of salt. I'm not adding cumin powder here because I did go ahead and add cumin seeds earlier, and I'm just gonna fry it over here till all the raw smell of the masalas go away. And I just add a little bit of water as well so the masalas don't burn. And here I am adding in some chopped tomatoes, and I'm gonna wait till it becomes a little softer, and then I will go ahead and add my eggplant. And before I add in the eggplant, I will be adding a little bit of sambar powder, and this just makes it taste really delicious. And yeah, it's such a simple and easy recipe, very quick. You can make this at home for lunch or dinner, and yeah, it tastes really good and very easy to make. And I hope you guys like this recipe. And so for dinner, my husband made some rava dosa with sambar, a little bit of peanut chutney, and potato stuffing, and it tasted really good. And you can see he's such a kid. He was so excited to eat his dinner. And here's my baby sitting next to us, and we're having family time and family dinner. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Please subscribe to my channel and give this video a like, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.